Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Review. Today, I will review the Writecream AI Writing Tool. It is popular for SEO, sales, and marketing. You can do blogs, podcasts, Google Ads, cold emails, LinkedIn sales, and backlinks with it. It supports 75+ languages, and it has human-sounding voiceovers for YouTube videos and podcasts, custom tools, and more. You will find its lifetime deal at Appsumo at just $59. If you need an extra 10% discount, please watch the full video. When I am reviewing it, it shows 626 reviews, and the count is increasing rapidly. If we see the review section, then we can tell that almost all the reviews are good. It means it is a quality AI writing tool. We will explore everything about the tool in the video, and we'll see if it is a good fit for you or not. It is an alternative to Contently, Grammarly, and Jasper. It comes with 3 different plans, and you can stack up to 5 codes. Plan 1 price is $59. It comes with 200 credits per month, which is equivalent to 400,000 characters. So you can write approximately 100,000 words. Plan 2 price is $118. It comes with 400 credits per month, which is equivalent to 800,000 characters. So you can write approximately 200,000 words. Plan 3 has 3 to 5 codes, and the price ranges from $177 to $295. It comes with 600 to 1,000 credits per month, which is equivalent to 200,000 to 2,000 characters. So you can write approximately 300,000 to 500,000 words. Now, without further delay, let's jump into the dashboard of Writecream AI Writing Tool. It is the dashboard of the Writecream AI Writing Tool. It has different writing tools for different tasks. In the end, you will find the Create Your Own Tool option. It is an amazing feature. You can create your own AI writing tool for a specific purpose. Let's discuss the important ones. At the front, you will find all, email, copywriting, social media, and SEO sections. In the All section, you will find all the tools. Others are categorized into different sections. Like, in the Email section, you will find email-related tools, such as email copy, email personalization, and so on. In the Copywriting section, you will find copywriting-related tools, such as website headlines, or copy, brand, or product descriptions, and so on. In the Social Media section, you will find social media-related different tools, such as social media post captions, social media posts, and so on. In the SEO section, you will find SEO-related different tools, such as SEO meta descriptions, SEO keywords, and so on. We will check Long-Form Editor now. Here, on the left-hand side, you will see Choose Use Case. Here, you will see different use cases like blog ideas, blog intro, and others. We will choose blog ideas. Next, you will find the product brand name option. If you have any product or brand name, just put it there. We will put Writecream here. In the product description section, we need to give a product description. Let's write a small description. For this, let's copy it and paste this. In the Select Tone option, we need to select a tone. We will choose Casual. Now click on Write for Me. Now, here is the content. The quality is awesome. Now, let's try Email Tools. Here, you will find different writing options. We will choose Email Copy. Under Email Copy, you will find Key Points. Please give some key points there. We will copy and paste these key points there to check. Now, select the creativity level, increase or decrease to make it more interesting. Now, click Generate to generate an email copy. Here is the email copy. Check all the email copies. They are impressive. Now, we will try social media tools. Here, you will find different social media writing options. We will choose social media posts. In the information, you need to write about any social media post. We will copy and paste this information, and click Generate to get output. Here are the outputs. They are very high quality and are best for any social media posts. Now, we will use SEO tools. Here you will find different options. We will choose SEO Meta Descriptions. Under SEO Meta Descriptions, you will find the product or brand name. Put your product or brand name. I will give Writecream. In the product description form, write something about the product. We will copy and paste this description there to check. Now click Generate to generate it. Here is your SEO meta description. It is perfect, and you can use this directly. In the recent activity, you will find your recent works. They are my recent works. In the account section, you will find change language, upgrade, share feedback, logout options. Keep those as they are. It has some interesting tools. Chat Genie, it is almost like ChatGPT. Image generation, you can create AI images here. SEO audit, you can SEO audit your website there. SEO keyword, you can do SEO keyword research here. Grammar checker, check your content grammar here. So, it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on the Writecream AI Writing Tool. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this amazing writing tool. If you need this complete AI writing tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from Appsumo at just $59. For a single website, a $59 deal is fine. But if you have multiple websites, then go for plan 2 or 3. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe to us and give us a like. And, for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.